Hi guys! Okay. Ngayon, pag-uusapan natin ang field care. So, ano ba itong field care? Ano yung sakop ng field care? So, let me share my screen. And, yeah, ayan. So, ito ang mga field care products. As you can see, okay, it's a comprehensive individual enrollment health products best fit for families. Who we are and what do we offer? Faircare is a top HMO provider, one of the top HMO provider in the Philippines, known for its leadership and innovation in offering high quality services. The company ensures that these services are accessible and affordable for all Filipinos, combining them with digital channels to enhance customer experience and streamline process. So yeah, so tatlong products ang meron si PhilCare. May Health 360, Health Pro, and Health Lux. Anong difference nito? So yung Health 360, clinic-based plan siya. Outpatient benefits are availed in PhilCare-owned clinics and identified or preferred affiliated clinics in the absence of a nearby owned clinics. Yeah. So yung limit niya, type of limit is annual benefit limit, meaning that all diseases will share one limit and limit will be replenished every year. So yung benefit design is fixed and non-customizable. Yung rates niya based on the chosen plan and subject to age. Maximum of 60 years old and renewable until age 65. Pre-existing conditions are not covered for this plan. So, ano yung mga requirements niya? Duly accomplished application form and applicant above 50 years old are subject to medical requirements. For minor enrollees naman, kailangan at least one parent should also apply. Hierarchy rules, meaning first the spouse, then the eldest to the youngest, shall be strictly followed. So billing should be sent upon approval of the applications, and coverage will be activated 7 days upon receipt of proof of payment. Okay? So, after 7 days siya. Yung Health Pro naman, it's a preferred base plan. So, ang meaning ng preferred? Base plan, outpatient benefits are availed in field care owned clinics and accredited clinics nationwide. If tests are not available in clinics, accredited hospitals are accessed through referral. So, pwede ka nila i-refer sa mga hospitals. So, yung type of limit niya is MBL, meaning per illness per benefit per year. So, yung limit is replenished yearly din. So, fixed benefit din siya and non-customizable. And yung rates niya based on the chosen plan, subject to age and age of enrollment. So maximum of 60 years old also and renewable until age 65. So pre-existing conditions niya is covered, partial coverage and may option ka between 5,000 to 10,000. So yung limit nag-adjust din upon renewal and will be subject to assessment. So, anong kailangan niya? Duly accomplished application form. Same, 50 years old with 50 years old and above will be required to have medical examinations. So yung cost niya is Si enrollee mo na magbabayad tapos i-reimburse ni PhilCare. Then, minor enrollees must have at least one parent na merong, at least one parent should also apply. So, yan. So, ano naman to HealthLux? It's a preferred base plan also. Flexibility in availing whether in field care, field care-owned clinics, accredited clinics, or hospitals nationwide. So it's a hospital-based plan. So the other two is a clinic-based. HealthLux is a hospital-based. So type of limit is an MBL also per benefit per year or per illness per year. Fixed din siya and non-customizable. Yung rates niya subject to kung anong plan pinili nyo. Age is until age 60 and renewable din until age 65. Pre-existing conditions are covered din partially. Option 10,000 to 20,000 depende sa plan nila mo. Then also, yung paano mag-apply nito, yung application form din and medical requirements for above 50. Minor dependents, dapat at least one parent ng HMO or mag-enroll dito. Okay, so that's the different plan of PhilCare. Ano ba tong PhilCare na to? So, yan. Dito tayo. Who is PhilCare? For 42 years, since 1982, PhilCare has been driven by its visionary to see every Filipino enjoy a better quality of life by making world-class and innovative healthcare solutions acceptable, accessible, accessible siya. Okay, so meron din tong PhilCare Home Care Umbrella. Umbrella, which includes the MedHub Mobile, yung mga mobile clinic on wheels for corporate members and non-members, member groups. So, within Metro Manila. So, home care, meron din sila home care medical services. And lastly, the home care telemonitoring offers PhilCare members who are confined confirmed COVID positive. Kaya meron din silang DigiMed. Okay, you can consult your doctors through the video calls and the audio calls. So, meron din siyang Mindscape as a mental health naman to. And yung wellness index niya, which is a research study. So, yan. So, ito yung mga rates niya. Okay, screenshot nyo na. 1, 2, 3. For the annual, this is the rates also. For the semi-annual, 1, 2, 3. So, this is also the rates for the quarterly payment. So, by age. 1, 2, 3, okay. So, for non-field members, mag-add lang ng additional 4,000 para makover yung hospital bills ng non-accredited or PhilHealth members. Okay. So, sa iba naman dyan na gusto ng dental, meron tayong options na package 1, package 2, and package 3. Ano ba itong package 1? Package 1 may annual dental examination, consultations, emergency, oral prophylaxis once a year, like cases only. Simple tooth extraction, restorative and lipid, temporary fillings, adjustment of dentures, and etc. Okay, so ito yung Okay, so ito yung comprehensive plan natin or Health, Health 360, Health Pro, and Health Plus. So ano ba yung covered nito? So ito, basahin nyo na lang since mahaba siya. So technically, meron din prenatal and postnatal consultations, pero excluding the laboratory and diagnostic procedures nito. Okay? So, yun. So, ito yung matanong nyo, ano tong ward? Ward, semi-private, private, na may price sa baba. Tapos ano yung mga semi-private open, private open, semi-private open, and private open. Ganun. So, ito, um, for example, ito, nasa ward ka, dapat yung price per day ng ward is only 1,100 pesos and below. Yun, para makover niya yung ward room. Anything above that, shoulder din. Shoulder ng member. So same with this. Ano naman to open? Open is whatever price. Whatever price yung nakikita mo sa hospital. Kasi kada hospital may iba't ibang prices. Eh. So, yan. So, ito, makikita mo dito up to MBL siya. Tapos ito, up to ABL. Okay? So, ito, pag naka-health 360 ka, yung mga MRI is up to 5,000 na din. Ito, up to 5,000. Hysterec- Hysteroscopic myoma is up to 20,000 na din. Pero ito, covered until MBL siya. Okay? So, yung sleep study, 5,000 din. Kung anong plan siya, sleep study, neuroscan, ito sa dalawa up to MBL. Pero so, Health 360 is until 5,000 lang din. So, all special modalities, meaning lahat ng mga, um, lahat ng mga procedures o laboratories na hindi na mention dito is dito sa Health 360, Health Pro, and Health Lux is covered up to 5,000 per procedure per member per year. So, per procedure siya. Okay? So, emergency healthcare services is pag, let's say, nagka-emergency covered up to MBL. So, if non-affiliated hospital, covered ng 100% pag Health 360, and 100% siya up to 50,000 per case per member siya. Then dito sa Health Pro and Health Lux is 8% up to 30,000 naman. Same if outside the Philippines, reimbursement din siya. Pag walang affiliated, up to MBL siya. Pag walang affiliated hospital within the area is up to MBL siya. So, yun. So, pre-existing conditions, sa first year, pag Health 360, not covered. Pag sa second year naman, pag sa Health 360, covered subject to ABL unless part of the plan, exclusion and limitations by the underwriter. So, sa health law naman, sa, sa semi-private plan is 5,000 shared limit. So, meaning lahat ng pre-existing illness under 5,000 or under. And pag private plan is 10,000 shared limit din. So, second year non-dreaded disease is up to the ABL pag non-dreaded condition like yung, let's say, may tumor na um, non-cancerous, benign naman, gano'n. Or may asthma, up to ABL siya. And pag dreaded condition naman, same na 5,000 to 10,000. Same din, pag sa health loss, 10,000 to 20,000 pag first years or all conditions, non-dreaded pati dreaded, and second year naman up to ABL pag dreaded, right, up to ABL pag non-dreaded, then pag dreaded condition naman, same price, same limit siya na 10,000 to 20,000. Okay? So, other benefits and special services, work-related conditions based on conditions covered by the occupation. So, coverage up to ABL and covered up to MBL. Well, vehicular accidents covered, sa Health 360 not covered siya, pero sa Health Pro, pati Health Lux up to MBL siya. Congenital disease, not covered siya all throughout. Congenital hernia, not covered in all throughout. Scoliosis, acquired cases only of scoliosis, covered up to 40,000 per member per year. Pagdating sa health pro and health loss, up to 40,000. Epilepsy and seizure, covered if acquired. If meaning ng acquired, kinuha mo during the first year ng policy. Hepatitis B, if acquired, excluding STD. So, yun. Provoked assault, covered din siya, including unprovoked assault, covered siya, including domestic violence. Maternity assistance, not covered all throughout. Mental health assessment or mind check. Meron kang 1 year access. Pag Health 360, tapos Health Pro and Health Lux, 1 month access each. Then mental health counseling by 2 months. 2 sessions pa for the Health 360, then one session for Health Pro and Health Lux. Then diagnostic procedure, may mga limit siya, no? May mga limit siya for different diagnostic procedures. So, tignan niyo lang dito if ano yung pasok sa inyo. Okay. Digo, like ito, um, ECG, lead Electrocardiogram up to 5,000 siya. Yeah. Then mga scans covered up to MBL. Pag-health 360 may limit lang per service up to 5,000. Okay. Mm, Ther- Therapeutic procedures coverage up to MBL, then up to limit siya if mga special procedures na. Ayun. Meron din tong group insurance for death, 100,000 for dependents only. So group insurance nito is for dependents only. 100,000 and yung mga iba like life, either SI, mga side, both handed feet, one hand, one feet, one foot, arms, legs, one hand, mayroon silang corresponding percentage. So, reimbursement to. Okay, so ito yung customer journey natin. First off, ano yung gagawin natin para makakuha tayo ng filter? So, first off is magsisubmit muna tayo application form and valid ID. Then, pag 50 and above ka, kailangan ng medical exam. So, pag-usapan natin yung medical exam later. Then, um, assessment of underwriter, whether accepted ka or declined ka. So, it will take about 2 to 5 business days. Pag with health declaration, with health declarations, pwede mag-take up to 5 days. Pag without health declarations, pwede 2 days. So, upon approval, isa-send na sa inyo yung settlement. So, you can pay either annually, semi-annually, or quarterly. So, pwede credit card, bank deposit, check. Yan. After that, meron ka nang mag-receive na activation after 7 days. Okay, same day from activation day. You can also get your policy number and your access to the refill app. And also after 7 business days, you can get your membership card, the booklet, and the agreement also. Okay, for the medical exam naman, ito yung mga medical exams niya. Physical exam, urinalysis, ECG, blood test, like CBC, sodium chloride, bicarbonate, calcium, glucose, tea, and potassium. So it's done in our accredited providers. 6 months and below may be accepted. So the expense for the medical exam may be reimbursed up to 2,250 for approved applications. Okay. So ito yung mga exclusions niya. Ayun. So basahin nyo lang yan. So that's all for today. So don't forget to subscribe and follow and to learn more about HMO, life insurance, health insurance. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.